Saturday, August 19th, 7 o'clock Mountain Time, 2017. Right here at the Akutan webcam. And as you can see, there's some lights in the background of this image. Here's what the image looks like in the daytime. Not much back there, but some mountain ranges. It's actually a volcano. That is super interesting. I've zoomed in on it and adjusted the color so you can kind of see how big this thing is. Honestly, it looks like a big craft. Here we go. I'm going to play you the video from the website. I'll post the website in the description box below. Here's the video. This is the original. Look at that. Shoots a beam down to the ground. This dark circle is some sort of a camera anomaly because it's there the whole time. And there's the rest of the day. This is like the last 12 hours. So by the time you get it, it may be already looped out where it's not on here anymore, but maybe it's archived. I don't know. You can see there's nothing back there. That is a very large craft. I'm going to zoom in real tight here in just a few minutes. See the beam of light that it shoots down to the ground? Now you don't see it. Move forward. There you do. And this thing stretches a long ways. There's up close, about as close as I can get. The main part of it looks like it has green lights at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position. And then right in the center is this yellow orange light. This is the one that had the beam shooting down towards the ground earlier. All right there, you can see it. Then we move forward. Okay, there goes the little craft right there that goes to the far right. This is really neat. It's big. Okay, here you go. This is the area that this is hovering above, right there. There's no towns or cities or anything back there. It's highly remote. There's nothing back there. Very neat. So it looks like a large mothership.
Oi, 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 oi.